We're going to be taking a look at this Travel Universal Adapter Surge Protector. So the reason why I needed this was because I was traveling to Europe and America have different adapters as far as their power outlets go. So this one in particular is black, and as you can see, here is the Europe actual adapter. So you simply just actually pull this up and it just goes like that. It's also got an American or North America prong adapter as well, in case you do want to use it within North America. But with this prong adapter, it makes it super easy and convenient to actually go ahead and use it internationally. So it has 3 different types of adapters. So the first one is the North American. The second one I believe is European. But then this one here, I forget which one this one is for, but I haven't had to use this bottom one before just yet. And also on the side, it includes a Type-C and USB port as well. So here's where you would actually plug in your normal devices. But with that being said, this is actually extremely useful. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know down below. But overall, very pleased with it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.